Hi guys! In this video, I am going to review the top 5 best plate compactors just for you. Here I have tested 5 different best plate compactors to see which one offers value for your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So, let's get started.
Product number 1. WEN 6.5 HP Plate Compactor, 3,350 pound force. I've used the WEN 6.5 HP Plate Compactor across several landscaping and driveway projects, and what struck me first was how powerful and capable it feels for its size. With a 196cc engine delivering around 3,350 pounds of compaction force, it moves earth, gravel, and sand with authority, packing down material quickly and evenly. This model includes a wheel kit and lifting handles, which makes moving it around the job site surprisingly easy given its weight. I appreciated the low oil shutdown and vibration dampers. They made longer work sessions less fatiguing and protected the engine. Compared to lighter budget models, this WEN unit sits toward the higher end of the affordable range, but that extra power and durability were worth it for me when tackling real base prep work on patios and walkways. The only real downside was slightly heavier than entry-level machines, so transport takes some effort if you're working solo. Overall, this is a great all-purpose compactor for serious DIY or small contractor use.
Product number 2. Built Hard 6.5 HP Landscaping Plate Compactor. Using the Built Hard 6.5 HP compactor felt like getting a workhorse machine designed for landscaping and routine construction tasks. Its 196cc gas engine delivered strong vibration and force that easily consolidated soil and gravel under pavers and concrete bases. What I liked most was the balance between performance and cost. It generally sits below premium models in price, but still provides effective compaction for most residential jobs. The plate size felt just right for moving around tighter areas like garden paths while maintaining solid coverage. One thing I noticed was that vibration transfer felt a bit stronger than on machines with advanced anti-vibration handles, so I needed to take short breaks on extended jobs. Still, for the price compared to other machines here, this compactor offered dependable results on landscaping, patio, and sidewalk-based projects without spending as much as heavy professional units. If your primary need is a versatile unit for regular yard and small site compaction, this one strikes a good balance of affordability and capability.
Product number 3. Vevor 6.5 HP Plate Compactor. I tested the Vevor 6.5 HP compactor on a few small paving and soil-based prep jobs, and its simplicity stood out. The engine and plate combo delivered enough compaction force for gravel, soil, and light asphalt work, though it's noticeably less powerful than some premium compactors in this group. What impressed me was how budget-friendly this unit feels while still handling typical DIY and light contractor tasks admirably. It's usually one of the more affordable options among similar gas-powered compactors, so it's ideal if you don't want to overspend on features you won't use often. The build seemed sturdy enough, but in prolonged use, I noticed vibration damping wasn't as refined as name-brand units, and moving large volumes of soil took a bit more patience. Still, if your projects are mostly residential patios, walkways, and base prep, this machine delivers reasonable performance for its price. Just temper expectations if you plan frequent heavy commercial use.
Product number 4. Multiquip MVC82VHW Honda-powered plate compactor. The Multiquip MVC82VHW is the one compactor that felt like a professional-grade tool right away. Powered by the trusted Honda GX160 engine, it starts reliably and runs smoothly through extended use. I've used it on asphalt repair and granular soil-based packing, and the consistent performance and well-balanced vibration made finishing work feel almost effortless. The solid steel plate, anti-vibration handles, and optional water tank for asphalt tasks really set it apart, especially when compared to lighter budget machines. This unit sits significantly above the others in price, but that higher cost reflects its durability, engine quality, and productivity.
For anyone doing frequent jobs, larger areas, or commercial tasks, this multi-quip compactor pays back the price through efficiency, reduced fatigue, and long-term reliability. The only drawback is the weight and cost, which may be overkill for casual DIYers. But if your work demands dependable, heavy-duty performance, this is the compactor to choose.
Product number 5. Evolution Hulk Electric Compactor Plate. My experience with the Evolution Hulk Electric Plate Compactor highlighted how convenient and low maintenance an electric model can be, especially for homeowners. Unlike gas units, there's no fuel, no exhaust, and minimal routine maintenance. Just plug in and go. It's lighter and easier to maneuver, which I appreciated when compacting soil under a shed base and leveling a patio footprint. Of course, being electric means it generally has less raw compaction force compared to gas engines, so it took a few more passes on heavy gravel and thicker soil layers, but the trade-off was quiet operation and zero emissions. In the context of these 5 compactors, this electric unit is usually the most budget-friendly and straightforward choice for smaller jobs and urban projects where noise and fumes are concerns. If your tasks are straightforward landscaping or moderate base prep, this is a surprisingly capable option without the fuss of a gas engine.